Welcome to this demonstration of Option 1, manually updating the pivot table data sources. This video provides a clear, step-by-step demonstration of the update process. Its purpose is to visually guide users through each action, confirm the correct sequence of steps, and support accurate implementation of the Student Support Referral Tool updates. Users are encouraged to view the entire demonstration before completing the written steps to ensure confidence and accuracy when performing the required tasks. Let's start by making a copy of our existing Student Support Referral Tracking tool. This ensures that we have a complete and accurate data set in the event that the data becomes corrupted during the following steps. Now let's open the tool to update the pivot table data sources. Navigate to the Q2 Counts, New Referrals tab. Locate the pivot tables. They are these colored areas on the worksheet. Click directly inside the pivot table area to activate the pivot table tools. Selecting any cell within the pivot table allows Excel to recognize it. Navigate to the Pivot Table Analyze tab at the top of the screen and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, place the cursor in front of the 1 in Q1. Delete the 1 and replace it with 2. Do not change any other characters. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. If necessary, slide the scroll bar to expose the next pivot table. Click on the next pivot table and select Change Data Source. In the dialog box, replace the 1 with 2. Do not change any other characters. Slide the scroll bar back and scroll down to the last pivot table. Click on the pivot table and select Change Data Source. You will notice that this dialog box looks different. It shows SY25 instead of Q1. Place the cursor behind the 5, delete the 5, 2, Y, and S, and replace with Q2. Navigate to the top of the page and click Refresh, then Refresh All to update the data in the pivot tables. Click on the tab for Q3 Counts New Referrals and repeat the process of updating the data source for each pivot table, replacing the 1 with 3. On the last pivot table, replace SY25 with Q3. Click on the tab for Q4 Counts New Referrals and repeat the process of updating the data source for each pivot table, replacing the 1 with 4. On the last pivot table, replace SY25 with Q4, then refresh your data. When done, you will have successfully updated the Student Support Referral Tracking tool. This concludes the demonstration for Option 1. You have now seen each step exactly as it is outlined in the written guide. Following this sequence ensures that all pivot tables reference the correct data sources and that your campus teams have access to accurate referral counts.